Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating interference. Close background apps and enable high-touch sampling if your phone supports it, because joystick lag often stems from input contention and low sampling. Next, open PUBG Mobile and go straight to controls. Don't tinker yet. Just set the joystick to default and note its size and position. Once done, test basic walking in the training area to capture baseline behavior so you know whether subsequent adjustments improve responsiveness. Now refine what the game reads. Increase move sensitivity and separately tune camera and ADS so you preserve aiming stability. Shrink the joystick slightly and nudge it upward so your thumb stays centered. This prevents edge dead zones and unintended diagonal drift. Disable gyroscope while you perfect the touch joystick so two input sources don't conflict. After each change, walk and strafe in training to observe directional consistency and responsiveness, iterating until movement feels direct and predictable. Finish by matching graphics performance to input. Lock FPS to your screen rate and enable optimizations so frame timing is stable. Jitter can feel like joystick issues. Clear the game cache, apply updates, and restart the device to ensure settings take effect. If you still see drift or dead zones, recalibrate the screen, test other areas, or temporarily use an external controller to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip. If drift remains after
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.